All right, Eddie. It's very cold. Let's see.
Are you ready me?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're gonna see, because you know why we did that video? Because that's how gonna be our last day. This is our only day. This is only one day, and we're gonna make it free because this is not our animal. See, this is an outside animal.
Yeah. Birds are outside animals.
And we didn't pay for this.
Ready?
Come on, little tweet. Goodbye. See you later. I don't know if it's gonna leave because it was.
I don't know either.
It was like it's in a card for like a home take.
Come on, Daisy.
Daisy,
Do you want to go?
I will give you some food if you want some. I don't know why.
Come on, Daisy girl.
She's not gonna leave.
Come on, baby. Oh, you're so cute. Hmm?
She's so soft. Oh, she's about to come out.
She's about to go. Go bye-bye.
No, stop. Oh, yay!
There it is.
I can't see, guys.
Oh, she's so cute.
I can't see.
It's right there.
I don't want to see. I can't see.
She's right there.
Oh, yay!
She went in.
Yes.
That's a perfect place for her.
Yeah, now
Yay.
now we can see Daisy like sometime.
No, hopefully she'll go find a warmer place. But right now, I can kind of see her somewhere here.
I can't.
I'm going to see where is she. Right there in the middle. She's right there. Oh, she's moving.
Yeah, I don't see. I don't see her.
All right, she's right there.
Good.
What a cute little girl.
Oh yeah, I see her.
She made it. So now you guys can get rid of this fox and stuff. All right. Okay. And what about you? Are you
Okay.
happy now?
Yeah,
Yeah, you rescued a birdie. Now she can be on her by herself
yeah.
and go make a house. Where's your happy dance? Diva?
I'm ready to get my
Diva?
happy dance like 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, you can do one more. You're extra happy. Woohoo! We let it free. All right, don't fall. Don't fall.